Okay, good morning everyone. My name is Elias Melendez, and today I'll be presenting my lab 4 on finding the unknown metal using the density of those metals. So first of all, these are all the items we'll be using today, and firstly what one should do is you should uh, put your beaker onto your scale and then put the amount of metal you want onto your scale. However, I've already done this due to I'm not a huge fan of the realistic pouring in this simulation, and I think it took up a lot of time for this video, so I rather already prepared it before. I've also already prepared a 10 millimeters water in the graduated cylinder for all of the unknown metals. You can see in the table right here, I've already entered the mass for three of them and the initial water for the two. Now we just need to find the final water. How do we do that? So firstly, let's take off our beaker from the scale. And then all we have to do is simply pour all this solution into our water. So I'm not a huge fan of this pouring, the realistic, so we'll have to make it work. Okay, now that we put this, our solution will become 14.2 milliliters. So that's our final water, 14.2. As for our first unknown metal, let's go to our second. Same procedure as before. Simply just pour it in. And now our solution is 12.1. So as before, as we just did, we just have to do the procedure again. Quite repetitive, however, we'll make it do. Go to pour. Now this one is 13.8. 13. Alright. Now what we have to do is we have to find the volume. To simply do that, we minus the final water by the initial water. So we put in 14.2 and 12.1 and 13.8. And after that, with our handy dandy calculator, we simply do 40.2 with 10. That is 4.2. Now for our second unknown needle, 12.1 with 10. And well, we could just use common sense as well. However, I would like to stay assured. Let's just use common sense for now. 2.8. Alright. Now we have to find the density. And to simply find the density, as shown in the form right here, we divide the mass by the volume. We already put in the mass in the table, so we just have to enter the volume. And to simply do that, we just copy and paste it to save some time. Can be a hassle in a sense. However, it's working. Now, after we copy and paste our numbers, all we have to do is plug it into our calculator and divide it. So let's just quickly do that. Alright, now then, 43.964 divided by, oh, okay, my bad. I put this instead of putting the volume. That's a simple mistake that we can fix just by removing a 1. Alright, so now then, 43.9641 divided by 4.2 is a really big number. But we could round it off, so that it would be 10.47. Now for the other one is 44.9800. Then we simply divide that by 2.1. And again, it's a very big number, isn't it? So we'll just do 21.42 since we're rounding it off to the second decimal place. Now then, simply do it for the last time. 46.0178 divided by 3.8. Now that is a big number again. So we just round it off again. 12.13. Alright. Now then, this is our final density, right? Now we simply find the identity. Which one does this correlate the closest to? So 10.47, that's the closest to silver. So simply put silver. What about this one? 21.42. Closest to that one is platinum. So we simply put platinum. And then for the final one, we could just deduce, since there's one more left, rhodium. And the density matches that. So we simply put that here, silver, platinum, and rhodium. And we check our answers. And it is done. We have correctly identified all the metals. I thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoyed this small little session. I hope you all have a good day.